Hey folks, this is an Eli selection, actually an Eli pick for 2025. This just came on the market this year. This is a 9-foot or 11-foot market umbrella that actually is remote control. Also has wind sensors, so it would close up in the event that winds come along. Also, it's lit. So all you do basically is just push this button and you'll see it track, you'll hear the beeping noise, and that stops the umbrella right there. And then you push another button, it opens back up again. We stock it in 2 different sizes, various fabric combinations, but you should stop by and take a look at this wonder. But the best part is when you have winds come along, it automatically will. So if you forget to leave it open one day, it'll automatically close. You have lights available on it, which come with it, but the remote control is pretty amazing. I don't have to say anything more. It speaks for itself.